Hi, Antara. May I talk to you?
Yes.
All right. What class do you study in?
I study in class 2.
All right. Do you have any favorite restaurant?
No, I don't have any favorite restaurant.
Okay. Then, do you have any favorite flower?
Yes, I have. My favorite flower is rose
Why?
because it is pretty.
Pretty.
Yes.
Okay. And except rose, do you have any other favorite flowers?
No.
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 All right. Do you have any favorite place?
I have one place.
What's the name?
Water park.
Water park. What do you do there when you go?
I play.
You play?
Yeah.
And there
I
are.
swim.
Okay. Okay. Then you swim there.
Yes.
All right. What do you see there when you go?
There is slide. There is a pool. There is so many things.
A pool only. I think so many
There is so many
pools.
pools.
Okay. Then
There is a deep pool.
and special pool for children
Yes.
that is not so deep, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Children
And
can walk in there.
I think there is a fountain.
Yes.
Have you gone there?
Nope.
That side?
Nope.
No, you have never gone to that side. How many times have you been there?
One time.
Only one time.
In,
What do you do in your leisure time, in your free time?
I like to draw and play with my
Just draw and play with your
friends.
friends. How many friends do you have?
I have one best friend.
You got only one best friend. What's the name of the best friend?
Madhuja.
She is your best friend.
Yes.
Why?
Because I love her.
You love her?
Yes. I
Okay.
don't
Do you
like
play
her.
together?
I don't like her. I love her.
It's,
It is really a different.
it is different, right? Okay. Okay. Have you ever gone to Madhurja's home?
Yes.
How many times?
One time.
One time. all
I
right.
don't have any time to go.
So thank you. Talk to you later on in another session.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. I will talk to you later.